Folks, good morning. I am coming live to you from mahali naitwa Pemways in Nakuru. Pemways is in Lanet, you know, the greater Lanet in Nakuru. Now, I am just off the Nakuru-Nairobi highway at Shiner's Girls High School, or even Shiner's Premier Academy. Off that, you know, that junction, okay? And then you get here to this apartment. It is known as Park Homes. Let me see. Yes, it is known as the Park Homes apartment, and they have 2-bedroom master and suite spacious apartments there. And yeah, we are just about to go in, and the rent is 23,000 Kenya shillings. EZRA nitafutie 2-bedroom on not on compound. EZRA nitafutie 2-bedroom apartment hapo Nakuru. Ndo hapa moja hapa Pemways. Folks, this estate is really cool. I mean, it is one of the coolest estates in Nakuru. No noise, but you know, there are apartments all around. Lakini, it is, I mean, you know that, you know, cool neighborhood, you know, aina kelele. This Pemways is one of those. Come inside. Very well. That's the parking. Okay, that's the parking, and can 2 cars park on either side? I think they can, you know, if, you know, they are proper drivers, they can park on, you know, on, they can park 2 of them straight, all right? Let's go up. So we have 2 blocks here, this block with 2 apartments, that block 2 apartments going up, that is, you know, 2 floors up. I'm on 2nd floor, okay? Now, the first thing I notice after arriving right here, you know, it is the amount of balcony space, the front balcony. There's a lot of space. I will just stand there, Freddy, okay, so that they can see. Let me just close this door. See, there is a lot of space out here. You know, I'm imagining you doing some, you know, some chairs here, you know, just to relax, catch a cool breeze. And the balconies are also private, you know, in that each one of them has got this door there. See that door? So once you lock that one, you are in your nest. Can you imagine? All right, so the unit I'm about to present is this one here, but they are all the same anyways. Very well, I'm inside the lounge, and in this lounge, I will talk about 3 things: the tile, the space, and of course, mko na internet? Yes. Okay, which one? Zuku. Zuku, yeah, I can see the device here for Zuku internet. So they have internet. The tiles, you know, they have that brownie theme. I don't know how you like those ones. And yeah, there is a large window on this side for natural light. What else? You know, now in terms of space, you can do a 5-seater, a 6-seater, you know, even on this side. And maybe, okay, can you do a dining table here? I think this is, you know, okay, you can do a dining table as long as you limit your seats, okay? Otherwise, 5-seater, 6-seater, all good. Your TV on that side, I see the socket right there. Now, this door, you know, takes us to the rest of the house. So you can always lock this door in case you don't want the folks there to know what's happening this side. Now, I'm inside, you know, the clock room, okay? I can call it that way. So we have a separate bathroom and toilet. Bathroom, girl, will this one work for you? It is, you know, the bathroom and and now I noticed the tiles for the bathroom tiles, and now the rest of the tiles, now they are different. Okay, so something has changed there, but I like the way they are neat. You know, the rooms are really neat. And of course, here there's a sink and a mirror on top there. Now, folks, we come this side. Where are we? We are in the kitchen. And now, the first thing I notice here is that the tiles are different from the ones in the sitting room. Okay, and even, you know, along the corridor. There's a corridor there. I will show you. So these ones, you know, they are the flowery thing, folks. The flower folks. Any comments about them? Now, there's, you know, enough countertop space, okay, for rolling chapatis, cutting kitungu, preparing food. There is this one on this side with, of course, you know, some shelves and, you know, cabinetry beneath it. And there is this one here where the main sink rests, okay? Now, one thing I really like here is the working height of this cabinetry, okay? Of the, you know, the cabinetry above, This is a good working height for both tall and short people. So this space is enough for a 6-burner gas cooker. Most importantly, you won't have to worry about, you know, your gas tank becoming an eyesore in the kitchen or where you will place it. This pipe here leads us all the way, you know, to the balcony where they have installed a place for you to set up your gas tank. What's more, so I see some sockets on this side, so maybe perhaps your fridge will, you know, it will stand somewhere, or it can even rest, you know, on this side, your fridge, you will decide. But overall, this kitchen is quite spacious that you and your partner and your kids can, you know, be in here chatting, you know, and cooking and storytelling, etc. So out here is the kitchen balcony, you know, just a decent size, you know, not big. And this is that place where I told you you will put your gas tank. And of course, there's a tap here, you know, for you to help with cleaning one or two things. All right, let's check out the rest of the house. Araka araka. All right, from the kitchen, walking through this corridor, on my right, we have the first bedroom, and this is the guest bedroom. Okay, this is the guest bedroom. In terms of space, it is huge, okay? It's big. This one can take 2 single beds comfortably. Now, but if you do the 2 single beds, I wonder if this amount of, you know, wardrobes will fit for, you know, for maybe, I don't know, 2 single beds for the residents of this bedroom. I don't know, I mean, maybe it will be sufficient for one, you know, for one person, but I like the way they are coming from ceiling to bottom. The tiles again in the bedroom, they have changed. I like these ones, you know, here they have done different, and in the bedroom, it's a different theme. I like this one more, okay, the one in the bedroom. I don't know about you. Let us know. Then through that corridor again on the opposite. So I like the fact that, you know, the bedrooms are at least, you know, they have, you know, some separation in a way. So on the opposite is now where we have the master bedroom, okay? Same tiles as the one in that bedroom. This window from this side, a lot of natural light coming into the room. In this bedroom, one can do a 6x6 bed. There are electrical sockets on 2 sides of the wall, which is nice. Okay, because even the wardrobes are hidden, you know, on this side here. The wardrobes are hidden far from the bed area. The organization is good in here. Now these ones, you know, they are okay for 2 individuals living in this room. But the other one, if you do 2 individuals, then I just feel now the, you know, the storage can be limiting kidogo. But either way, okay. So it is en suite, of course. The bathroom, quite spacious, okay, a lot spacious. There's a towel, you know, handle here, okay, something to hang your towel, and it is, I mean, the way they have placed it, you know, just convenient, not up there. And again, some of the essentials, a soap dish, a tissue hanger there, you know, some of the essentials are all here. Let me see this height. I mean, if you're like 6.3, wouldn't you be knocking this? You know? Anyway, that's how far. That's what we have here. That's what we have here at Pemways, at the Park Homes at Pemways, and of course Pemways in Lanet, you know, at large. The location is Lanet, but specifically Pemways. So the rent is 23,000 Kenya shillings. Yeah, so the rent is 23,000. Unalipa rent? Yes.
Water.
Takataka ni how much?
50.
350.
Ya kia means of fungu. 200.
Okay.
Na kuna nini agreement lease.
Yes.
1,000.
All right. So folks, rent, deposit, garbage fee 350, agreement fee 1,000. And water deposit, 2,500. I've broken it down, okay? So you know how much. You can calculate the total, all right? The rent, 23,000 Kenya shillings. So up to that point, that's my time from here at Pemways in Lanet. Got to rush to the office. A lot of work awaiting us there. See you in the next one.